Ciao! The Panbrioche is a French recipe of a soft bread that we will use to prepare burger and hot dog buns. It is really versatile and it can be used in many different ways. Let's go to prepare it. For this recipe we will need 100 grams all-purpose flour, 100 grams sugar, 100 grams lard, 20 grams salt, 50 grams fresh yeast, 500 grams warm water. We have already used this recipe for the Sicilian rosticceria. If you are interested, you will find a link in the description box or at the end of this video. Add salt and lard to the flour. Dissolve the sugar and the yeast in the water. Combine the two together and knead well, until smooth and elastic. Let it rest for 1 hour. After this time, we are ready to divide our dough into 100-gram balls. To shape it, pull the edges up and into the center. Rotate it 90 degrees and repeat it a few times until it becomes round. Let it rest for 1 more hour. After this time, we will prepare our egg wash. It consists of egg yolk and milk. Now is the time to decide the shape of our buns. If you decide to have just round ones, place them in the tray and brush them with the egg wash. And let them rest for 1 more hour. Another possible shape is easy to create. Flat it down to 1 finger thick and shape a round disc. Flip it and place it in the tray. To shape the hot dog buns, flatten the dough, roll it tight, turn it 90 degrees, with the open side facing up. Flat it once more and roll it again. Now the open side facing down. To shape the edges, push the dough inside into the roll and gently push the top side down and under. Roll it to elongate the bun and place it in the tray. Brush them with the egg wash and let them rest for 1 more hour. For decoration, you can sprinkle a bit of sesame seeds on the top of the burger bun. After 1 hour, they are ready to be baked. Set your oven at 180 degrees and bake them for approximately 15-20 minutes. Now the buns are ready to be filled. Try the Panbrioche the Sicilian way, filled with ice cream and whipped cream. See you in the next video.